Guys, it's Katie, and today I'm going to be showing you my makeup routine for acne prone skin because obviously a girl has some. And yeah, these are my products that work for me and that I am so excited to tell you about because it has been a long road to finding them. So let's get into it. So first things first, obviously I moisturize. I just washed my hands too. I go in with this Cicapair Tiger Grass correcting treatment, and guys, this stuff, amazing. You're probably like, what? Why are you putting that on? I use this as foundation. Seriously. So I just dip in. It's like a little pot. Just dab, dab, dab. I'll have to get more on my forehead. But then I do this. And look at that. It's literally evening out all the redness, and like I just love it. Honestly, I started wearing this around Christmas time, and it's helped my skin, which is awesome because I wear it as makeup, and so that's super fun. Next, I go in. I have two concealers. One concealer is for under the eyes and stuff like that, and then this concealer is what I use for my blemishes because I'm not out here trying to like hurt my face when I'm wearing makeup. So this is the Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue. And I just really go in with this. It's like a stick. So there's a mirror right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and freaking go for it. So, guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about something. I really want this channel to be like super real. I don't want to show you guys anything that's like fake. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm not like the kind of person that only wants to show you the good parts of my life. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I got all these brushes from Sephora. So I really want to be able to maybe make some videos about like maybe my anxiety, you know, what I go through. Maybe it can help you guys out, like seeing the other people, you know, feel the same way. And I know that always helps me whenever I'm like talking about something and my friends are like, oh my gosh, me too. Like, everybody knows it's just nice to feel validated or whatever. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to be able to give some advice. My friends think I give good advice, so that's good. I kind of just want to be like a sister to you guys, or whatever you want to call me, a friend, a sister, whatever. So now that's pretty blended. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. It's just Sephora's Gel Serum Concealer right under the eyes like that. I don't do like the full-on triangle because that's a lot. Like, this will blend out a lot. I really like this one because it is so creamy because it's like a serum concealer, you know, and so it really blends awesome. It's so important, guys, to be washing your brushes if you break out, and to wash your hands before you do any of this stuff, because I know that like the oils in your hands can cause a lot of breakouts. Like, don't touch your face, please. I mean, I'm about to, but I just washed my hands, okay? I'm kind of being a hypocrite. Wow. Sorry, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and set it with the Laura Mercier. This stuff I really like. I'm a very oily girl, and so anytime I used to wear makeup, it would always separate throughout the day. and of course like melt off. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. But this stuff is super great. This mixed with just concealer and tiger grass cream does not give me any trouble. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows next while that's like, you know, setting. I use the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I switched to gel from pencil because I'm naturally blonde, and so my eyebrows are very sparse and light, and I really wanted something to keep them in place, but also, you know, give them some more color, fill them up a little bit. You know what I mean. See, look at how it's a big difference. At first, it's kind of like alarming, like, oh, your eyebrows are really bad. Like, not bad, but like a lot bigger than the other one. But I've learned to like it. Definitely let me know what kind of content you want to see, because like obviously I'm gonna do lifestyle, but I kind of want to expand it. Now we're gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in India Sun. So I didn't wear makeup for a long time. So whenever I went to Sephora to get a bronzer, I was like, what should I use? And they were like, Fenty's really good. And I was like, okay. Also, do you guys know that my full name is Caitlin? I don't know if people know that. Another fun fact, I talk in third person a lot. You'll hear me say Katie all the time. Another thing about my names is that I literally have different personalities with different nicknames. So like Katie's the fun one, and Caitlin is the smart one, and Kate, she's your homie. Only my family, my dad and my brother call me Kate, and like my English teacher from last year. So, okay, also with the Fenty Beauty, I'm gonna go in with this and put it in my crease here. I'm gonna go in with this Mary Kay blush. I need to buy a new blush. Please don't come after me. Like, I know I want to get the Glossier blush, like the cloud paint, but I'm kind of I don't know why I'm nervous. I think it's probably be cute because I freaking love blush, guys. I pack it on. I don't know when I'm posting this. I don't know what's gonna be up, but right now I am almost done with high school, which is crazy. Ooh. Put some on the nose. I love blush. Okay. I'm almost done with high school, which, like I said, is insane. I have 2 weeks left. Okay, I'm gonna curl. I got this from Sephora as well. Like the bronzer, I just asked for one and they were like, and I was like, awesome. I've been saying I'm about to graduate high school because I haven't been to school in like a month and a half, so it feels like it's summer, but like, I don't know, it's gonna be a weird, not transition, because it'll be like the exact same, but it'll be weird to like actually be done. Then I go in with the Milk Kush mascara. I like this stuff. This is the mini, and it's not waterproof. I put it all the way back in and then pull it all the way back out to the other eye. Let me know if any of you guys do that. Go in with my highlighter. This is an e.l.f. highlighter. I don't know the color. Moonlight Pearls. And my friend Taylor got this for me. And yeah, I just, you know, go in Then I finish off with some chapstick. I love this stuff. It's Balm Honey Pear Lip Treatment. It's a little pot, so cute. And that was that. That was my makeup routine that I do. Pretty light coverage or whatever, but I really like it. It makes my skin feel good. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. It doesn't bother my acne. It like honestly helps my acne. It always looks better at the end of the day. So if you guys are new, you know, like, subscribe. Let me know down below what else you want to see for me. Like I said, I want to be more open with you guys. So yeah, see you next time. Missing someone.